Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to guide you through the simple steps of adding page numbers to Google Docs. Let's get started. Alright, first off, let's open our web browser. You can choose whichever one you're comfortable with. For this case, I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to proceed and type doc.new into the search bar and hit enter. This will directly open a fresh new Google Doc for us to work with. We are on our first page now. I will quickly type in page 1, page 2, and page 3 separately, as these will be the demarcations for our chapters. Let's separate these placeholders into their own pages. Position your cursor at the end of page 1, navigate to Insert on the main menu, find and click Break, and then select Page Break. Repeat the steps for page 2 and page 3, and you'll have 3 separate pages. Great, we have successfully broken down our document into 3 distinct pages. Now for the all-important page numbers, identify Insert on the top menu. Click it and then select Page Number. At this point, you will see different options for where you want your page numbers. Let's go with the bottom of the page for this time. Click it and watch the magic happen. Every page is now numbered. Now how about if we have a unique cover page, which does not include a page number? This gives your document a clean and professional look, with the page number sequence beginning from the second page. To demonstrate this, we will create a new document in another tab. On the first page, I'm going to jot down cover page, page 1, page 2, and page 3. Now let's break this down into separate pages again. Click at the end of cover page, navigate to Insert from the top menu. Under Insert, you encounter the Break option, and nested under Break is Page Break. Click this and apply the same for page 1, page 2, and page 3. Now each of our sections has its own dedicated page. Now it's time for the star of the tutorial, page numbers. On the top action bar, click on Insert again. Move to page number. You will see multiple options here. We will choose the one that pushes page numbers to the bottom and leaves our cover page effectively numberless. There you have it. As you can see, the cover page remains without a page number, while the sequence starts from the second page. Once you've mastered this technique, organizing and presenting your documents will be a breeze. And there you have it, a simple way to add page numbers. Until then, thank you for watching and see you on our next tutorial.